Your question is tenure of the members of the estimates committee is of. Your options are A 2 years, B 1 year, C 3 years, or D 4 years. Right answer is B 1 year. Your question is, with reference to the Parliament of India, which of the following parliamentary committees scrutinizes and reports to the House whether the powers to make regulation, rules, sub-rules, bylaws, etc. conferred by the Constitution or delegated by the Parliament are being properly exercised by the Executive within the scope of such delegation? Your options are A. Committee on Government Assurances, B. Committee on Subordinate Legislation, C. Rules Committee, or D. Business Advisory Committee. Right answer is B. Committee on Subordinate Legislation. Your question is, which of the following is not a tool of parliamentary control over public expenditures? Your options are A. Public Accounts Committee, B. Comptroller and Auditor General of India, C. Estimates Committee, or D. Committee on Public Undertakings. Right answer is B. Comptroller and Auditor General of India. Your question is, the members of a standing committee of parliament are taken from the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha in which ratio? Your options are A 2 and 1 respectively, B 3 and 1 respectively, C 4 and 1 respectively, or D in equal numbers from both the houses. Right answer is A 2 and 1 respectively. Your question is, the provision for the calling attention notices has restricted the scope of which of the following? Your options are A. Short duration discussion, B. Question hour, C. Adjournment motion, or D. 0 hour. Right answer is C. Adjournment motion. Your question is, what is correct about the stated question? 1. Answer is given oral. 2. Answer is given in written. 3. Supplementary questions can be asked. 4. Supplementary questions cannot be asked. 5. Answers can be discussed. 6. Speaker controls answer. Quotes. Your options are A 2 4, B 1 3, C 5 6, D 3 5, or E 2 and 6. Right answer is B 1 and 3. Answer is given oral and supplementary questions can be asked. Your question is, in the Parliament of India, the purpose of an adjournment motion is. Your options are A. To allow a discussion on a definite matter of urgent public importance, B. To let opposition members collect information from the ministers, C. To allow a reduction of a specific amount in demand for grant, or D. To postpone the proceedings to check the inappropriate or violent behavior on the part of some members. Right answer is A. To allow a discussion on a definite matter of urgent public importance. Your question is, the Parliament of India exercises control over the functions of the Council of Ministers through 1. Adjournment motion, 2. Question hour, 3. Supplementary questions. Select the correct answer using the code given below. Your options are A 1 only, B 2 and 3 only, C 1 and 3 only, or D 1, 2 and 3. Right answer is D 1, 2 and 3. Adjournment motion, question hour, and supplementary questions. Your question is, the Secretariat of Parliament of India is. Your options are A. Under Minister of Parliamentary Affairs, B. Under President, C. Independent of the government, or D. Under the Supreme Court. Right answer is C. Independent of the government. Your question is, what is the object of cut motion? Your options are A. To put check on the policies of the government, B. To stop the functioning of ruling party, C. To move a proposal to reduce expenditure in the budget proposals, D. Rejection of complete financial dealings of the government, or E. None of the above or more than one of the above. Right answer is C. To move a proposal to reduce expenditure in the budget proposals.